So today, friends, we are going to learn about a special rule, and it has to deal with the k sound at the end of words. When I hear the k sound, I usually think that I need a C or a K, because that's what we've been learning. But that's when they start our words. We use those C and K. And we have a special rule when we have a one-syllable word. Now, what's a syllable? A syllable is when we have just one beat to our word. Syllable will have one vowel in it, one vowel sound in it. So if I would say the word pack, it has one vowel sound in it, one beat, pack. I can check my syllables because my jaw comes down and I can hear that one vowel sound, pack. But what if I have packet, packet? There's two vowel sounds, a and e. That means this is a two-syllable word, packet. How about the word inside, inside? Again, it is two-syllable word. So this is a one-syllable word rule. I have a word, and it's one syllable, and it has a k at the end. This is tricky. I have one syllable, it has the k sound at the end, and there's one more thing about this rule. It is a short vowel. A short vowel. Now, our short vowels are a, e, I, and When I hear those sounds in a one-syllable, short vowel word that ends in a k, I have a special rule. So short vowels, remember, it's the vowel sound and it does not say the vowel's name. So it's not A, E, I, O, or U. It's the a, e, I, and Those are the sounds that we're listening for our one-syllable word. Well, we know the rules. What letters are we using? When we have a one-syllable word that ends in a k and it is a short vowel sound, we are going to use these two letters. We are going to use C and K. Now you'll notice that I have a line in front of my CK, and that means it is actually at the end of the word that we're using it. So that line is showing you that I have letters in front here. I will never spell a word CK at the beginning. So if I hear the word kick, I'm not spelling it CK, I'm just spelling it with a K because the I is our second sound. And that's how we know that the I needs a stick letter, right? And that means it's the letter K. Back to this. One syllable. K sound at the end. At the end. That's showing at the end. And a short vowel. A, e, I, and That's when we use our CK. Let me give you some examples. All right, I have the word tack. T, a, k. There are three sounds in this word. T is my first sound. That's the letter T. A is my second sound. That's the letter A. K is my third sound. Let's see, does it follow our rule? Tack. Is it one syllable? Yes. K. Is that at the end? Tack. Yes, the K sound is at the end. And does it have a short vowel? Tack. Yes, the A is a short vowel. When all of those rules apply, I'm going to write a CK at the end of my word. Now, CK is two letters. But listen, tack. It's just one sound. So it really only has 3 sounds in this word because the CK work together. How cool is that? They love the other letters, but they work together to make the k sound at the end of the word. Very cool. Okay, so let's try some. How about the word, let's see, pick. P, I, k. There are p, I, k, 3 sounds in that word. Pick, 1 syllable. Pick, k sound at the end. I. It is a short vowel sound. It follows all of these rules so that k at the end will be written with a CK. Let's write the word. P, I, k, C, K. Pick. Let's try another one. How about, let's do the word rack. R-A-K. There are R-A-K. 3 sounds in my word. Rack. 1 syllable word. Rack. K ends my word. R-A, short vowel sound. When I have that, I know that I'm going to use a CK at the end of my word for the k sound. R-A-K. R-A-K. C-K. Because it follows that rule. If we can remember that rule and use it every time, we are going to be amazing writers and amazing readers. We know that we have to follow the rules. Just like if we're in school, we follow rules. There are special rules that we follow when we're learning to read and write. When we follow these rules, we're awesome and super successful. So we've got to put these rules in our heads so we can use them every day. Think of it like mom and dad knowing that there's a rule that when you see a red light, you have to stop. Red light means stop. What would happen if mom and dad forgot that rule? Oh my goodness, there would be an accident, right? Yeah. Just like if we forget our rules, we won't have a car accident. But are we going to be successful writers? No. So we have to remember our rules. It's important that we keep them in our brains and we practice them. We say them to ourselves when we're practicing our rule. Let's do a couple more and then I'm going to explain what I want you to do for your activity today. All right, so we have, how about some that we maybe don't know how to spell the middle sound because we haven't gone over it yet? But let's go over some of them anyway. So if I have the word, dock, D-A-K. I know, you guys are like, yeah, Mrs. McClune, we know what that middle sound is. Here we go. 3 sounds in that word. D, letter D, doorknob before door. Aw, yeah, I know you know. It's the letter O, even though we haven't officially gone over it. Now, does it follow my rule? 1 syllable. Dock. Yes, it's 1 syllable. Does it have a k sound at the end? Dock. Yes, it has the k sound at the end. Aw. Is that the short vowel sound? Absolutely. So, it follows all of my rules. What am I going to use at the end? I'm going to use a C-K. Should we try another one? One more, and then I'll let you get busy on your work. Now this time, in your work, I actually have the first 2 letters of the word are written for you. You have to listen to the word and decide what letters you're going to put at the end. For example, if I have the word, if I have S-O, I need you to figure out that my word sock is spelled S-O, wait a minute, let me make sure the rule follows, sock, 1 syllable, sock, k at the end, sock, yep, Ah, is it a short vowel? Yes. That means I need to write CK to make the K sound. So on your assignment, you will have 2 letters, just like here. You'll have the audio button to play, listen to the word, decide what letters to put at the end of the word. So if the word is sock, we need to make sure it follows the rule, and then we'll add the CK at the end.